What's up, online shoppers? How many times have you bought something and it didn't live up to the promises? Well, this is Revive ProCare's moisturizing conditioner called Prime. I am so thankful that they gifted it to me, and I am definitely obsessed. If you are someone who is struggling with fine or thinning hair like I am as I get older, I'm definitely looking for things that I could add into my routine that are going to help to support new hair growth and keep the hair I have in good shape. And I'm really impressed with this after 2 weeks of use. Prime is step 2 in their hair care routine, and it is an intensely moisturizing but relatively weightless conditioner that I've been able to put in my hair care routine, and it has given me really good results. It's packed with keratin amino acids, vitamins, and peptides, and the end result is shiny, bouncy, soft to the touch hair that isn't weighed down by heavy conditioners. Better yet, because this line is focused on helping people who have thinning hair, they've also included a DHT blocker right in the conditioner. So you put the conditioner on for a couple minutes, the DHT blocker soaks into your scalp as well, and it's just in general awesome. I'm seeing a return of a really nice shine and bounce to my hair, and to top it all off, the scent of this, really nice and fresh. It's definitely a green scent. So if you're looking for a moisturizer that can lift your hair and bring back bounce and shine, and it's good for your scalp, this one here from Revive ProCare, definitely a family favorite in my house.